Pacifica. It's Chrysler. That's the taillight. And it's coming out. Look how easy it is. Look at this. That was one of two. I already took that one out. Oh, and it's a T25. Let me show you. See? T25. Wasn't gonna wait for you. And pull. Both ends is easier. You've got that little ball socket right there, which goes right in there. So using both hands is easier. Now, gotta love the Americans with these stupid safety clips. That red thing, gotta get pulled out, pulled upward, and then squeeze. And there you go. Part number, there you go. But I'm sure I'll find it aftermarket. So here we go. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.